akin na apology kasi wala akong pake.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, gagawin natin ngayon ay mag-challenge. Ang challenge na gagawin ko ngayon ay no brush makeup tutorial. I'm gonna do my makeup with just my fingers or my hands. Yeah, so no brushes at all. As you can see, I have already my eyebrows. I have a light makeup because I went out today. I went to the mall. I took my son at the playground, so that's why I have a light makeup. But don't worry, I'm gonna erase all of it except my eyebrows. I'm just gonna leave it there. I'm using the Pond's to remove my makeup. We're done removing my makeup. First, let me put on some lip balm because I don't want my lips to get dry. I'm using the Carmex. So I'm gonna be using the Olay Complete for my moisturizer, but for that I'm gonna spray my face first with the Mario Badescu Cucumber, and now my moisturizer. Don't put any foundation without putting moisturizer, especially if you have dry skin. That's very important, guys. I don't know how this one turns out because this and only makeup challenge. I'm gonna use this one, the e.l.f. primer. This is good for like if you have like red spot on your skin. This one will help you. So sa foundation today, I think I'm just gonna use the Revlon Color Stay foundation. This is my favorite drugstore foundation, guys. I feel like this shade is a little bit lighter on me. See? But I think we can work on it. So, just using my fingers to like blend it. Yan. And do not forget your neck because neck is important too, not just your face. Okay, now let's move on to concealer. I'm using the Maybelline concealer. By the way, guys, I'm wearing contact lenses to add like a dramatic effect. I wear this because I did a video of tips and tricks on how to put on and remove your contact lens. I made that video before this. I will link the video down below if you guys interested. I'm using the Earthspun powder. It's over here. I'm gonna use this to set my under eye area, but I'm not gonna be using this. It's just use fingers. I think that's good for now. For the eyeshadow, I think I'm gonna be using this Maybelline, the City Kids Pink Edge. I do not recommend this one because the colors are nice, but look what happened. Sira na yung ano niya, highlighter. Nagdurog. Parang puso ko dinurog mo. Look at, it's all crumbled. Didn't even have a chance to like use it like for my highlighter. I like the colors though because it has like a pink, rose, gold. This is what I'm gonna be using for my eye. But the blush and the highlighter, I'm not gonna be using that because I don't like the highlighter at all. I'm gonna be using this Too Faced T4R Tight Crease Eye Primer. After the eye primer, guys, I use the MAC Fix powder to like set that eye primer like right there. I'm gonna use this shade right here. Put this all over my lid, I think. Putting this all over my lid. Put the darker shade. It's like more of like a deep purple, I think. So I'm gonna put this on my crease area to give like a smoky effect. See, dark. Put it there. And then we're gonna blend it using our finger. Blend it. I'm gonna be using this kind of like shimmery pink right here. It has a shimmer on it. This like that. Like that. That's good. And alright, let's put on some eyeliner. I barely use this eyeliner, but I feel like there's no ink anymore. Okay, for my eyeliner, guys, I ended up using the e.l.f. This one right here because the next did not work. So this one has more ink, so that's why I use this one. I'm not gonna be putting a fake eyelashes today because it's so tricky to put on fake eyelashes. Oh shit. I think next is gonna be wiping this off. The setting powder that we put earlier, we just wipe it off. We're not allowed to use brush today, so just using our fingers. Let's put on some bronzer. Rimmel London. Let's use the bronzer for our nose line. Blend lang natin siya. Hindi masyadong clear sa camera eh. I think that's good. Lagay tayo ng blush, guys. So, ito na lang yung gagamitin ko. Tarte. Kasi pink siya. Yan, pink. I think it's super pink. I think I put too much pink. Times you need to be careful when putting this because pigmented talaga siya. For lipstick, I think I'm just gonna use this Tarte, kind of like matte. Mabagay ba? Parang hindi. So ayan guys yung look nung lipstick ko kanina. I wanna add more pink because I feel like it doesn't suit me. I will try to put this on top. This is the NARS lipstick. Parang naging over naman. I think that's good. I think it's alright. So let me fix my eyebrows. Let me spray Mario Badescu again to my face. And after that, let me add my highlighter. I'm gonna be using the Becca highlighter. Very cute. brow bone. You know what? I wanna do a little bit of liner. I'm using the Wet n Wild lang sa waterline para maging balance yung under eye area ko. Last but not the least, let me curl my eyelashes because that's what I like to do. Like to curl it really tight. So there you go, guys. This is my no sponge, no brush makeup challenge. Just use my two hands, the left and the right. Hold them apart. Sorry, that's so corny. So that's my no brush makeup challenge, guys. It's just handmade. Do we call? I don't know. Handmade because I just use my hand, my two hands. Yay! Yeah, guys. So what do you guys think of my look? Is it good? Pwede na? I didn't put any eyelashes on. These are just my natural lashes because I don't really know how to put on eyelashes. I'm not good at it. Yeah, so this is the final look, guys. I hope you like it. Comment down below, guys, kung ano yung masasabi nyo sa makeup look ko today. I guess I see you guys next time on my next video. And thank you for watching. Bye!
We making no apology kasi wala akong pake.